Hello friends! Today I am going to show you the recipe of beetroot paratha. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some beetroot which is grated, wheat flour, oil, some cumin powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, ajwain, some chili which is chopped, amchur powder, salt and finally chopped coriander leaves. So let's start. Now take a pan and heat some oil and then add some chili which is chopped. Mix them and let them become aromatic. My chilies are aromatic and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them and cook it 22 minutes. After 22 minutes, everything got cooked and now I am going to add some grated beetroot in it. Mix them and now cover it with a lid and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, everything got cooked and now I am going to add 1/4 cup of water in it. Mix them and now cover it again with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, everything is cooked and now I am going to transfer it into a blender jar. I transferred the mixture into this blender jar and now I am going to blend it into a smooth puree. I blended it into a smooth puree and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour and then add salt as per taste. With that, amchur powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, ajwain half teaspoon and cumin powder half tablespoon. Mix them well. After mixing, I am going to add the beet paste in it. Then I am going to add some coriander leaves in it. Mix it and now add water little by little to make a soft dough. After kneading it into a soft dough, I am going to grease some oil on it. I greased it well and now I am going to cover it and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, everything is set well and now I am going to knead it again for 5 minutes. After kneading it, I am going to take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball and now I am going to cover it with a layer of flour. Now roll it into a paratha. I rolled it into a paratha and the thickness should be like this. And now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and grease some butter on it. Let the butter melt. My butter has melted and now I am going to add the paratha in it. And now we are going to cook it from one side for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, after 1 to 2 minutes, one side is cooked and now I am going to grease some butter on the other side. After greasing, I am going to flip it and cook it from another side for 1 to 2 minutes. My paratha is cooked from both the sides and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. So similarly, I made many parathas. You can serve it with curd. So this is my delicious and tasty beetroot paratha recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.